Okay, so this is my Bartesian cocktail making machine and my cocktail of choice. Got quite a few sitting there in the fridge. You don't have to chill them, but it keeps the shelf life a bit higher. I've never done this yet, so this is the first ever time I have tried this. You put the capsule in, you tap the button, you get a glass, and then basically it says blah blah blah. Yep, water's done. Next, you get the choice of strength. I'll stick with the normal, and then basically that's assuming I've got the right sized glass, so I have no idea how to stop it. The 5 base spirits, so you've got rum, whiskey, vodka, gin, tequila are in the bottles. As you can see, there are 4 base spirits, water in there because this stuff is concentrated, and the 5th bottle is there, so in theory you have to swap them out depending on the cocktail, and it will tell you that. So that's it. That's complete now. I'm just going to put some ice in it and tell you what I think of my first ever cocktail from this thing. So if you watched the earlier video, you'll know that we had a problem getting a larger glass in to the Bartesian. Well, clearly that is the way to do it. Take that off and then try that. I mean, it won't take a pint glass, but if you want a pint of cocktail, I will. But there we go. Slot it in. And this one's a whiskey based one, so I've got the whiskey in. It asks you to confirm that I haven't got the rum in there. Next, you choose your strength, you tap, and away you go. So one old fashioned in the Bartesian. It does recommend a smaller glass, but that's all I've got at the moment. I should get some more glasses in due course. And that, as they say, is that. It's finished in 10 seconds. You open it up, take out the used cartridge. I should point out these capsules do not have any alcohol in it. It's just the, one of a better word, the ingredients other than the alcohol. And then you just tap sleep and it goes to sleep, ready for the next alcoholic beverage. Okay, so we're testing out the Bartesian cocktail making machine. Little fridge there, chills the capsules. You don't have to, but it increases the shelf life, so I'm told. So this is the machine. Some crushed ice from the ice making machine that I'm also reviewing. You literally just lift the lid like a coffee machine, slot that in, there's a barcode in it, it reads that barcode, just push down and it'll click, and then it's got instructions there. Next you can choose your strength.
Should I do regular or strong?
Up to you, entirely up to you.
I'll do regular.
Regular. There's also a mocktail version there, so you don't have to have that.
Mocktail version is very good.
So 4 base spirits there, 5th one there. If your cocktail requires it, you swap them over. There's a water tank in the back because the thing is concentrates, and as you can see, it is so simple to use.
I like the idea it's got a mocktail facility.
The mocktail's good.
That is good.
It's also, I know it doesn't look it, but it's portable. You can get a little case, it goes into the case, you can pick it up, take it away with you, and that's it. And then the capsule just comes straight out, and I will get rid of that. They are recyclable, by the way. Let's see, what do we think of the margarita we've gone for?
That's a good margarita.
So there you are.
Tastes like, I know, and I've been to America.
And this lady has been to all sorts of places, and in fact the in-laws went to Jimmy Buffett's place in Margaritaville.
And that's only a regular. That's actually quite strong.
It could be. Couple of things to bear in mind. You've got to buy the machine. Amazon were doing it at 33% off, which is excellent price. The capsules work out at I think about £2.50, so you know, pretty reasonable.
Yeah.
Yes, you've got to have the base spirits in there. I've ordered some, so I've just put in what I have available. But I have to say,
But the only thing is, you don't have too big a glass.
Yeah,
you can't get it underneath.
We did try and put a bigger glass in there, and it wouldn't actually fit.
That's a nice little cocktail glass.
And this, I don't know, does this?
I would have thought that must
So
be
that comes out. So I suppose you might have.
Well, I suppose so. Yeah.
I suppose you could get a bigger glass in.
Mm.
But yeah, absolutely love it.
Mm.
And she obviously loves that, so that's the important thing.
Everybody.
Cheers, and thank you for reviewing the alcohol.